Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect a payment method to your TransferWise or Wise account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link a payment method to your Wise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request that you pay them through TransferWise, and in order for that to happen, you have to connect a payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Transfers dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my TransferWise account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link a payment method, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Okay, so once you click on your name, you're going to see this menu here on the right. And to link a payment method, you're going to look for this line right here called Payment Methods. It looks like a little bank icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So you can add a bank card. So this could be a credit card or a debit card. The fees are different for credit cards and debit cards, but you can pay with a credit card. The second line is to connect a bank. So this is usually going to be the cheapest way to send money. Sometimes it takes longer depending on the situation. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and link a bank payment method. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you this green button, connect your bank account. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, it looks like this payment method is only available in the US, UK, and Canada. My bank account is from the US, so I'm going to use this one. It does let you know other countries are not supported, so you'd have to use a different payment method. So I'm going to click here. Okay, Wise uses a company called Plaid. So Plaid is going to be basically the middleman between TransferWise and your bank to share information. To read through this, if you're okay with that, click on Instant Verification. Okay, once you do that, Plaid is going to open up this login screen. So go ahead and click on Continue. Once you do that, go ahead and search for your bank. If you don't see your bank logo, go ahead and just type in the search bar. So for example, some sort of credit union. Okay, credit union. And then you can go ahead and search and then click on your bank name. Now, if you're not able to find your bank, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use Stripe. So you'd have to use a different payment method. For me, I bank with Chase. So let me go ahead and go back. Okay, I'm just going to click on the Chase logo. Okay, now it's letting me know I'll need to log into my Chase account. So I'm going to click here, continue to log in. Okay, next Chase opens up a browser. So I'm going to use my Chase username and password. Okay, I entered in my login details. I'm going to click sign in. Okay, next Chase is going to give you this warning that you're about to share information with Plaid and TransferWise. If you're okay with that, click on next. Now it lets you know the information that they're going to be sharing with Wise. If you're okay with that, click on next. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the Chase accounts that you want to share information with. For me, I'm only going to share my checking information, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom. Okay, once you're at the bottom, click on next. Okay, next I'll get this green check mark confirming that the connection has been initiated. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up in your TransferWise account that your bank account is connected to Wise. So now when I go to transfer money using Wise, I'll be able to use my bank account as a payment method. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a payment method to your TransferWise account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.